Hi everyone, I am Jiten Singh and today we are going to study the chapter is the poem Animals from the First Flight. And Animals, it is written by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman belongs to USA and he was a saint poet. And in this poem, the poet just compare the qualities of that animals and the human beings. And after that, what he figure out that the qualities which has in animals is better than the human beings. So then let us start with that poem and find out the qualities now which has in the animals. I think I could turn means become. What the poet wished, what he said that he want to become and live with animals. Means he want to become animal because animal is better than human beings. That's why what he said that he want to become and live with animals and they are so placid. Means the animals are so calm. They have a peace. So that's why he said that. Why? What is the main reason why he want to live with that animal? That's the animals are placid, they are calm and self-contained. Self-contained means they have satisfaction. They easily control their mind. Okay? So what he said that animal they has a calm, they easily control their mind. So this is the main reason why the poet want to become and live with animals. In the second line what he said that I stand and look at them long ago. Means it was the observation of that poet. What he said that he was just stand and he was watching that animals. And after that it takes a long time for this observation that animals are better than human beings. They do not sweat and whine. Sweat and whine means cry or complain. They do not complain about their condition. They never ever complain. Whether they are in good condition, whether they are very in a bad condition, they never ever complain to anybody. They do not lie awake in the dark. Dark means night. When the animals animals if did not occur, commit a sin, a bad deed. So there is no need to awake in the night and weep for their sins means bad deeds. So there is no need to just cry on their bad deeds because animals never ever they commit bad deeds. So this is the reason there is no need to just wake up in night and after that there is no need to cry for their bad deeds because the animals are very pure. The heart is very pure. And after that they do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. And after that poet said that when they do not commit bad deeds, so there is no need to discuss about that of God. Okay, how we just stop making the bad deeds and how we just make God happy. So there is no need to discussion about that of God. Means what is your duty? Sometimes when we occur bad things, so sometimes our conscience means the inner soul said that this is wrong. So that time we just think about the God. If we just commit bad deeds, it will return. If we just commit a good deed, it will return. So animals are free from them because they never ever commit a bad deeds. So this is the reason. Not one is dissatisfied. Means each and every animals are very satisfied for their condition. And not one is demented means mad. With the mania means crazy of owning things. You will never ever see the animals, they are very mad to collecting the worldly things. This is the quality of human beings. They are indulged himself in just collecting the worldly things. This is the reason why they are suffering a lot. But animals, why they do not suffer? Because they are not a madness of collecting the worldly things. Materialistic world, the animals have not a desire to just collect the worldly things. This is the reason why they are satisfied. Not kneels. Kneels means bent down. And another meaning is respect. Not one kneels to another. Means this is the quality of that animals, they never ever respect to each other. And the not his kind that lived thousands of years ago. They do not respect in the group. They not only respect in a group, but they do not also respect their ancestors who just lived long ago. So this is there is no greediness. That's why what the poet said, there is no need to respect to others. Not one is respectable. Means not one is respectable means each and every is equal. But in human beings, there is no equality among the human beings. But animals, they are equal. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. You will never ever find animals, the whole earth, that the particular animal is very sad. They are very happy. Each and every animal who just live on the earth, they are very happy. So they show their relations to me and I accept them. What the poet said, that I just find some qualities. Relations means some qualities which I find in that animals. When I observing the animals, so that time I just found some qualities in that. And that seems that there is a relation between the human beings and the animals. Because all the qualities which has early, long ago, animals, human beings have, now the animals have nowadays. I accept them, and the poet in a positive way accept this. Yes, this is the truth. They bring me tokens of myself. Tokens means qualities. All the good qualities which have in human beings long ago. Now, myself, when the poet said that, means they show my qualities. They show my qualities in their selves. And after that, events means show. Events means show. They bring me tokens of myself. They show them possessions on the plainly. They show them plainly in their possessions. Plainly means clearly. They clearly show their ownerships. Means the token now I have. It is my property. This is my ownership on that tokens. Token means the qualities. Means now the qualities just goes to that animals and they have a ownership on that token. They are not ready to return the qualities to the poet. So that's why this is the main reason why the poet started to think that I wonder where they get those tokens. He was surprised. Who is surprised? The poet is very surprised that how that qualities the animals get these qualities. So then it is the imagination of that poet that did I pass that very huge times ago and negligently dropped them. He said that long ago when I was just passing through that group of animals, so carelessly, negligently means carelessly, I just dropped all the wonderful qualities there and the animals get that qualities, and now they are showing their relationship, their ownership on that qualities. They are not ready to return these qualities to me. So this is the story of that animal. This is very beautiful animals where you just get a very strong message that we just always be satisfied, placid, control your mind. We should not we should not just become mad to just gather the property, worldly properties. These are the strong message which is given in that poem. So I think you would like that video, and after that we will meet in that next video, the tale of Custard the dragon. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.